Hi guys, this morning I was having a problem with my Walker 2019 Walker, and it only has 166 hours on it, and I had a problem this morning trying to start it. It didn't crank, it didn't do anything. So I went online looking for some information, and I found out that it could be a safety switch or something like that, but it was nothing. It was nothing with the safety switch. It was just a bad connection on the starter. Some of the wires were not, I don't know what happened, but some of the wires were a little rusty and they got some corrosion over there, and I removed them and cleaned them, and that was the solution for it.
Hard. That's the starter right there. That's the starter, and then you have the wires over there. So this connection here is the one that you have to remove that nut and clean the wires, and then just put them back, and that would be the solution for it. Just try it out and you'll see.